There's Osman, headed for the bike company. I wonder what he's gonna pick up. Oh shit, I forgot my mask. Okay, now that I got my mask, maybe I was more excited than Osman. Alright, go for it.
How's it going?
Hey, Jack. Oh, there she is.
Okay, so the reason behind the red, right? If you look at the pucks on your brakes, it's called neon red.
Oh, that's nice.
So the
So we had these
pedals,
composite pedals.
Oh.
40,
I think they're
50
like
bucks.
49 or 50 bucks.
Oh, who makes these?
HT.
What do you think?
So.
I
wait, man.
wish I could see the smile, but you're all covered.
Yeah, man.
Got the Maguras, the one finger MT5s, aggressors.
Yep.
Got the NGX build kit. Yeah, this is a nice setup.
This is ready.
The color looks
Yeah, it is.
the color looks way better in person than in
Doesn't it?
pictures. Yeah.
That's good. Come on in when you're ready.
Wow. Good.
Nice.
Right on. Two.
All right, we just picked up Oz's bike. There she is, so beautiful.